You ever notice something funny? In real life, we hear everything, but the moment IELTS play the audio, suddenly our ears go on holiday. Names gone, numbers gone, and dates vanish like magic. If this happens to you too, stay with me. Today, I will give you the easiest, simplest tips to finally win the IELTS listening test. Welcome back, learners. I'm Shweta. Today I will share 5 easy tips to help you score higher in IELTS listening. No stress, no confusion, no fancy English, just simple tricks that actually works. Tip 1. Read the questions before the audio. Before the recording starts, quickly read the questions. Don't read deeply, just understand what kind of answer you need. Is it a number, a name, a date, a place, a price? When your brain knows the type of answer, it listens better and you react faster. Tip 2. Use rough paper for fast notes. This is my personal favorite tip, and it saves marks. When the audio starts, quickly write down the smallest detail on rough paper: numbers, dates, names, and any tiny information that sounds important. Why? Because the speaker talks fast. You think you will remember, but you won't. Write it quickly, then match it with the question. Tip 3. Follow the answers in order. In IELTS listening, answers always come in order. So if you feel lost, don't panic, just skip and move to the next question. Example, if you missed question 9, go to question 10 immediately. Don't try to search backwards. IELTS moves forward, you move forward too. Tip 4. Accent awareness. Many students say, I understand English, just not the accent. IELTS use British, Australian, sometimes Canadian accents. Here's the trick. Don't try to understand every word, just catch the keywords. And to train your ears, listen to BBC clips for British accent, Australian podcasts for Aussie accents, Canadian podcasts or news clips for Canadian sound. Even 10 minutes a day helps your brain get used to different way of speaking. So when IELTS plays the audio, your ears don't panic. Tip 5. Predict the answer before listening. Before the recording starts, try to guess the answer type. If the question says the meeting is on dash, you know it's a day or a date. If it says the price of the ticket is dash, you know it's a number. This prediction makes your brain alert at the right moment. Bonus tip: don't stop writing. In the IELTS listening test, the speakers sometimes give wrong information first, then corrects it. Example, the hotel is on Hill Street. Oh sorry, no, it moved to Park Road. Always wait for the final answer and write only after the speaker finishes the line. If you found these tips useful, wait till you watch the next videos. I am making IELTS speaking mock test, speaking clue card practice, easy vocabulary lessons, full reading strategy in 10 minutes. So hit the like, subscribe and comment. I will score higher. I have got this. Your English journey starts right here. Take care. See you in the next lesson.